Congratulations on the purchase of your new GE Profile UltraFast Combo. This all-in-one wash and dry solution will take care of a large load of laundry in about 2 hours. Your combo will enhance the way you experience laundry by learning your load patterns, fabric types, and habits. You may notice that total cycle times will adjust during a cycle and vary based on load size, fabric type, and your selected options. Extra large loads, like a king-size comforter, may take slightly longer, whereas a smaller load of activewear may be shorter. At the end of the cycle, certain items and the air inside may feel slightly humid due to the airtight seal. Simply remove the items, giving them a quick shake, and they will feel dry in seconds. A more dry option is also available to suit your preferences. To help prevent overdrying, your UltraFast Combo uses sensors, lower temperatures, and high airflow for maximum care of all your laundry. Because your UltraFast Combo is gentler on clothes, less lint will be generated. Notifications remind you when the dual-stage filter needs to be cleaned. Clean the mesh side after every few loads, similar to a standard dryer. The foam side, which captures microparticles to deliver maximum airflow, should be rinsed under water when you are notified. Now you're ready to start your first load. Follow the steps to connect to the Smart HQ app to update with the latest software and experience all your UltraFast Combo has to offer.